Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel again. Today's new video, we are going to show you how to make a Google form. To make a Google form, just head over to your web browser. Once you're in your web browser, you can search for Google Forms or you can go to this block and scroll down until you find Google Forms or Forms. So head over there. And from here, you can find several options to just start over, and you can also start a blank form. So let's just make a contact information form from here. So let me start from a blank form, and in here you have to give the form a name. Suppose I'm giving the name contact info, and here give your question, suppose address, and here give your long answer text. You can also make it different types like multiple choice grid, checkbox grid, or multiple choice checkbox drop down, any type of choose. So I'm giving a short paragraph, and here if you just mark it required, it will give a star icon right here in the form. And here the people must have to fill up this option so that they can inform you. So yeah, and just tap on publish and your form will be published. Hope this video will help you out, and I will see you in the next one.